Hello everyone. Today we will study about application of electrolysis. Electrolysis is a very important process. It has several technical and commercial applications like electroplating, electrorefining, electrometallurgy. Today we will cover electroplating, which is based on third factor of selective discharge of ion, that is nature of electrode. So let's start. What is electroplating? First, you should know that electroplating is a process of deposition of a thin layer of superior metal. Superior metal like nickel, silver, gold, chromium, etc. on the surface of an inferior metal like iron, copper, brass, etc. with the help of electric current is known as electroplating. Clear? Deposition of what? A thin layer of superior metal on the surface of an inferior metal with the help of electrolysis is known as electroplating. Then next, what you should know, reason for electroplating. Number one is protection against corrosion or rusting. For example, iron get very easily rusted, especially in damp atmosphere. So it can be protected how? By electroplating with superior metal like nickel or chromium. This is the first reason. Then what is the second reason? For improving the appearance of inferior metal for decoration purpose. For example, brass, alloy of copper and zinc is mostly electroplated with silver or gold. Okay, so these two are the reason. Mainly, first one, protection against corrosion or rusting, and second one, for improving the appearance of an inferior metal for decoration purpose. Then what are the conditions for electroplating? This is very important. First try to understand this one only and then we will start the process. Okay. First one, what is the first condition? The article to be electroplated must be made the cathode. Okay. Why? Because during electrolysis metal is always deposited at cathode. Clear at this point? Metal are always discharged at cathode by gain of electron, metallic ions. So this is the first condition. Then the metal to be plated, okay, metal which we have to use for plating an article must be made anode. Why? Because when electric current is passed, metal forming the anode will oxidize to form metallic ions. At anode only oxidation reaction will take place. Here anode will lose electron to form metallic ion. So that is why the metal to be plated on article must be made anode. Okay. An anode needs to be periodically replaced because anode will be consumed. It only ionizes to form metallic ion. So it gradually loses mass. So anode should be replaced periodically. Then what is the third condition? The electrolyte used must contain ion of the metal which is to be electroplated on the article. Okay, it will increase conductivity. Okay, as the electrolyte dissociate into ions of the metal, these metallic ions will migrate towards cathode and get discharged. So what will be the result of this one? Deficiency of metal ions in the electrolyte will occur. Okay. To compensate this, what happens? The dissolution of anode metal in the form of metal ion will take place. Again I am repeating why electrolyte use must contain the ion of the metal which is to be electroplated. For example, if we have to electroplate with silver, electrolyte should be any silver salt. Why? Pay attention, because the electrolyte will dissociate into ions of the metal also. and metallic ion will migrate towards cathode and they will get discharge. So, what will be the result? Deficiency of metal ions in the electrolyte will occur. So, how it is compensated? By the dissolution of anode metal in the form of metal ions. So, this is very important. Okay. Next, what you should know? Fourth condition, low current for a longer time should be used, not high current. High current also will cause uneven deposition of the metal. So, low current for longer time should be used, and direct current you already know, DC should be used. So, these are certain conditions. Now, we will start electroplating of an article with silver. Okay. So, first we will discuss electrolyte. What electrolyte should be selected? Any silver salt, but silver nitrate is not preferred. Okay. Why silver nitrate is not preferred? Because here migration of ion will be very fast, resulting in uneven deposition of metal over article. That is by which electrolyte is preferred. Which electrolyte is preferred? Sodium argentocyanide, sodium silver cyanide. This is complex salt, NaAgCN twice. Okay, this salt is preferred, as here in this case migration of silver ion is slow as compared to silver nitrate. So, here deposition of metal over article will be even. That is why remember that we should select sodium argentocyanide as electrolyte, not directly silver nitrate. Okay, this is first point. I hope it is clear. Then nature of electrode. Condition we have already discussed. Cathode clean article to be electroplated. Suppose we have to electroplate any spoon, then a spoon should be connected towards negative terminal of the battery. It should act as cathode. It should be clean. For firm deposition of metal over it, it should be clean, thoroughly cleaned. An anode should be made up of what? Silver electroplating. It means it should be made up of block of silver metal or plate of silver metal. So, these three things are clear. Electrolyte, silver salt. Which silver salt? Sodium argentocyanide. Next one, cathode article to be electroplated. Anode, metal which is used for electroplating, like silver electroplating. So, here anode should be made up of silver. Okay. Then we will see the reaction. Okay. First, dissociation of aqueous sodium argentocyanide will take place. It will give which ion? Sodium ion, silver ion and cyanide ion. And water will give hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. Now, reaction at cathode. Which ion will migrate towards cathode? Positive ion, sodium ion, silver ion and hydrogen ion. But which one will get discharged? Silver ion are discharged at the cathode to form silver atom by gain of electron. Okay, why? Because it is below sodium and hydrogen in the electrochemical series. So, it will get discharged in preference to sodium and hydrogen. Okay, clear? Then at anode what reaction will take place? Which ion will migrate towards anode? Cyanide ion and hydroxyl ion, both will migrate towards anode, but neither are discharged. Why? Because here anode is made up of active metal, that is silver. So, it itself will lose electron to form silver ion. Clear? This point always remember, electroplating is based on third factor of selective discharge of ion. Anode if made up of active metal like silver, gold, nickel, then it will participate in electrolytic reactions. So, here cyanide and hydroxyl both will not discharge. Instead, silver atom will lose electron to form silver ion. So, what will be the result? Anode diminish in mass, okay, because anode only will dissolve to give silver ion. Clear? So, after some time what we will see? A thin layer of silver will be deposited over article. This is known as electroplating. Okay, clear?